To create an ad on Facebook, the first thing you need to understand is the different objectives you can choose when you run ads on Facebook. The good news is, if you have followed through the previous strategy section of this course, all these won't surprise you at all. Again, this is why you need to clearly define your marketing objectives and strategy beforehand. As you will see soon later in this section, once you decide to create an ad on Facebook, the first thing you're asked to choose is ad objective. Facebook has grouped all the possible advertising objectives into three simple buckets: awareness, consideration, and conversion. Sounds familiar, huh? Yes. So these are precisely the customer decision journey steps we have discussed in the previous section. And based on your focus across each of these stages, you can choose individual ad objectives that best serve your broader business goals. So for example, if you want to increase awareness of your business, you can choose to boost your post, promote your page, or reach people near your business. Also, if you want to influence more people to consider you, you can choose to get installs of your app here. Or if you want to drive sales directly from your ads, you should choose among the conversion objectives such as increase conversions on your website. To help your understanding, let's again look at actual ad examples from some of the most widely used ad objectives. Two of the most commonly used ad objectives are maybe website conversions and click to websites. These ads are designed to help you drive specific actions like visits or purchases on your website. You can use app install ads to let more people actually install your app on their mobile as well. Note the call to action button here, which will directly drive people to app install page with a single click. Brand awareness ads can be good if you want to use Facebook ads for more brand related objectives, such as increasing awareness, positive sentiment, or consideration preference. And of course, you can use different ad formats like this carousel ad if you want more engaging ads. You can also provide an offer with offer claims ads. This is a great way to drive direct response from your audience that is at the later stage of their purchase decision journey. Also, you can promote your events using this event responses ads if you have any upcoming event. As you can tell, the card here is specifically designed to highlight events and details like dates and RSVP. Now, as you have seen in this lecture, Facebook does a really nice job of providing different ad types depending on your objectives. So make sure you choose the right objective for your business needs.